Hey everybody, I'm Anne. Thank you so much for joining me. Today is the first day of a week in which I'm going to try to post a video every day. I'm getting some kind of video production block, and this is what I'm going to do to try to get rid of it. So I'm also going to try to do some of these on first takes. That is not going to be this video because this is already take number 4, but this one is going out to you. What I've got to show you today, though, is something you, I guarantee, have never seen before. A Swiss Army knife painted by Vincent van Gogh. I mean, kind of. It's a little weird how this cuts off at a square on the edges, but if you flip it over, you can see there's another design by Van Gogh. What is going on here? Well, my friends, I'm going to tell you what. This is washi tape. Washi tape is this stuff. It is basically tape that's designed for, I don't know, I use it a little bit when journaling or making I'm dropping things everywhere, or making some stuff in my calendar. I don't know. It's just fun. It's pretty. It's super easy. And it meets the problem I have where my artistic goals are so much bigger than my artistic skills, as evidenced by my previous attempts to decorate my Swiss Army knife. I tried first with scratches. That wasn't super popular. Then I tried with nail polish, which I can say works awesome. It is way more durable than the original scales. Regular nail polish kind of eats into the scales or something, and it does not pop off at all. I'm talking not gel polish, just the regular stuff. It's fantastic, but like I said, my skills do not meet what I want it to look like. So looking at this washi tape, I suddenly realized maybe we could do something really awesome here. So here are the approximately 5 things that you are going to want to know if you want to decorate a Swiss Army knife with washi tape. Number 1, it's probably best if your Swiss Army knife has white scales. If it doesn't, it still is going to work, but the color is not going to be quite as bright. Just something to know. Definitely worth experimenting on a Swiss Army knife of any color. Number 2, get all the oil or anything off of the scales before you try to stick on washi tape. Anything like that is going to interfere with the adherence, and I actually tried this a couple times without washing the scales on this brand new Swiss Army knife. Well, pretty much brand new Swiss Army knife, and it just didn't stick. After I really scrubbed with soap and water on the outside, just with my hands, not like any brush or anything, and washed away all of that oil, it did start to adhere. Number 3, different washi tapes are going to be different. This is a very thin tape, and the adhering material on the back is going to be differently sticky different times, with different brands. So you may want to experiment a little bit. Next number, it may not stay on when you want it to, and you will want to kind of give consideration to whether you're going to put your Swiss Army knife into a holster and expect it to stay on. If there's going to be a lot of friction across the scale area, it just might not be the right technique for you. And finally, I don't know how long you can safely leave washi tape on a Swiss Army knife before it will damage the scales. I don't even know if it's caused micro damages already with this anyhow. So, that's another thing to consider. I maybe wouldn't put it on and then just leave it there for weeks on end. But on the other hand, I think it's a great opportunity to decorate your Swiss Army knife to match your outfit of the day or your favorite sports team that happens to be playing right now. Not all washi tapes are these colorful painting styles, but some of them are just plain colors, and you could totally decorate your Swiss Army knife with the colors of your favorite sports team. So, okay, let's see if it peels off. I'm going to just try. Let's see, where's the corner? I'm going to do this on the camera there. Okay, so this is about 3 days of washi tape. Oh, yeah. Looks like it peeled off cleanly there. I don't see any problems, and we could just redecorate with another piece of washi tape. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you think this is a good idea, and I will see you tomorrow.